Welcome to Porter's training video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to customize items in Porters. Porters can customize all the buttons, all the items, and all the menus. This time, I will show you how to customize the items. You can customize each item at each level, such as client level, candidate level, and so on. First, let's customize the item at the job level. Several items, such as the client name, HR contact, and position title, can be customized at the job level. The customization method is not that difficult. From the left side, choose the level that you want to customize, and click the Detail View and Items, so that Porter shows you the job items here. On the center, there is a Use Items, so if you want to move the item, just drag and drop wherever you want to set. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to move Report on the phase. See? It's so easy. When you want to revert the layout, click the button right on the top, so that the item will be reverted back to before. When you want to change the name of item, please click the Edit button so that you can change the item's name. You can also change the max characters and default text. If you want to use this for searching, click the Use Search. You can also make this item to be required to edit by clicking the Required so that it becomes a required item. This is how to edit the item. You can change whatever you want. If you want to make a new item, please click the New button. In Porters, you can make items with multiple types. This time, let's make an option item. Click the option, then you can see the adding page and put the details here. For example, visa type. Are we going to use for search? Should we set this to be required? What should set the annotation for this item? And then after you put the name, you can select the option schema here. Porters has the multi-option templates, but if you want to make a new option, you can make from this page. Please click the plus button so that Porters shows you the option adding page. In the adding page, before you make an option, please fill in the parent option's name. For example, visa type. Let me save it so that you can make the detail options from here. So click New and make the options. For example, AB like this. Then Porter's options can have two levels. So second level, if you change the parent option to A, you can make the option with two levels like this. After you create the option, please click Save button so that you can go back to the item adding page. Then please select the option from here. The new option visa type that I just made will be found at the bottom. After you set that, please click the types like checkbox, radio button, drop-down, or search box. And after you create that, please check the other setting. What should we set for the annotation of this item? Are we going to use for search? Should we set it to be required? If you finish setting, please click the Save button so that this item will show up into the unused item box here. And then please drag and drop wherever you want to add. For example, let's put it on the job ID. Then please click the Save layout right on the top so that you can see visa type on the top. This is the way to customize the items. How was the video? I hope it helps you to leverage Porters. Thank you.
どうもありがとうございました。